Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix park assist not available on the Volkswagen models. This video will work on the Volkswagen Tiguan, Volkswagen Golf, Volkswagen Polo, Touareg, Passat, and lastly the Volkswagen Touareg. So the first thing that you need to do, guys, is go to your navigation screen and the right side of your steering wheel. So I'm gonna give you guys a closer look to see how the menus looks like. Once you're here, make sure that you are in the home section firstly, and then look for the vehicle application. Once you find it, give it a click, and then here you're gonna find vehicle status. In the bottom right, you're gonna find settings. Give it a click, and then here you're gonna find all of the settings related to your vehicle, from the ESC systems to tires to driving assistance, and here you're gonna find parking and maneuvering. Give it a click, and then here you're gonna find Park Pilot. Park Pilot is basically the parking assistance in the Volkswagen cars. So try to deactivate it and then activate it again, and then try to increase the volume right here, and then the solution might work for you and the parking assist will be working fine. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.